When typing a document in Microsoft Word, how do you add page numbers to your document? In this video, we are going to be learning in few simple steps how to add page number in Microsoft Word. So right now, I'll go to my Microsoft Word to show you how to do this practically. So this is my Microsoft Word, and I've imputed some text in the Word, and this document has 2 pages. However, there are no page numbers on this document. Right now, I'm going to be adding page number to this document that I have in my Microsoft Word. To add page number, you go to the toolbar. This is the toolbar at the top, and click on Insert. After clicking on Insert, you move from left to right, and you're going to see this option that says page number, Insert page number. You're going to click on it, and after clicking on it, it will ask you if you want to add page number to top of the page, to the bottom of the page, or if you want to put it in the page margins. So what I always like to do is to add page number to the bottom of the page. So after highlighting on putting the page number at the bottom of the page, there are different options of how you would like the number to appear at the bottom of the page. Do you want it to be on the right? Do you want it to be on the left, at the middle, or at the right? I usually like it to be at the middle. So I like it to be at the bottom of the page. So I'll highlight bottom of the page. I've highlighted bottom of the page, and I'll pick the second option for it to be at the middle bottom of the page. So as we can see, it is right here now. There's a page number there, and you can change the color of the number by highlighting it and choosing a color here. So I've changed the color of the number to red. So you can change it back to black or whichever color you like. So I'll just select black for it to go back to black. So after doing that, you come up again to the toolbar and click on this close header and footer so that this footer option can go away and you can have your document back. You can edit your document. So you can see we have page 1, page 2, and page 3. So to take away this header and footer thing that is showing on the screen, you come and click this close header and footer, and after closing it, you realize that your document now has a page number. So you can see page 1, page 2, and page 3 at the bottom middle of each page. So that is how you add page number to your Microsoft Excel document. You can choose to add page number at the top of the page. So let's see that. Let's add it at the top of the page on the left. So click on that. So you can see the page number is at the top of the page on the left. And for this header to go away, you click this. So you can see our page number now at the top of the page. We can also decide to put the page number in the margins. So you click on Insert, go to page number, click on page margins. Then you select an option. So let's select the first option there. And you can see the page number in the margins here, inside the margins. And for this header to go away, you click on this. So you can see page number in the margins. There's page number at the top here too, and there's page number at the bottom. So those are the different ways to add page numbers. Those are the different options to add page numbers to your Microsoft document, and you can change the color of the page numbers like I showed you. When inserting the page number, you can come and change the color. So I can change this to color red or yellow or green or blue. So let's try blue. So I've changed the color to blue. I'll click on close, go back to that, and you see that the color is quite bluish over there. The color is quite bluish over there. So the color is blue. Yeah, you can change it to whichever color you like. If you change it to white, it's not going to show because the page is white. So as you can see, it has disappeared. So that is how to add page number to your Microsoft Word document. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you have any other question, leave it in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.